This is Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm back with a new video. So we got this Lexus RX Hybrid, RX body style, RX 450h Hybrid, and we're going to add Apple CarPlay to it. So we're going to use a ZZ2 module to do CarPlay in this unit. So what we're going to need to do is we need to access the screen and we need to access the radio. So what we'll do is we'll obviously take apart all this stuff so we can get A to the screen and A to the radio. And once we get all that apart, we can make the connections for the ZZ2 module. So once we get that apart, I'll show you what we have to do to connect it. So stay tuned for the next part. So now we got this Lexus apart. We had to take the center console apart and pull the radio out and pull the screen, which you can see the screen sitting right there. And so what we're gonna have to do is take that ZZ2 module, set up the appropriate dip switches, and plug it all in. So here's all the harnesses laid out a little bit here with the instruction manual. So now we got to put it in the car, and then I'll let you see what it looks like in the car. It's not too complicated, I hope. So we got everything assembled, but not completely put together, because we want to make sure we test this unit out to make sure it works before we go and really assemble the car and give it back to the customer. So we got everything powered up. So we're on the home screen here. Now to get to the CarPlay, we hit the map button here on the jaw control and hold it down until it appears up there at the top. Then it says CarPlay. Then we want to go to CarPlay, push the button here, or the controller, until we get the CarPlay device. Now we go to connected devices and hit connect. Now we can take our phone and we can do search, start search, press the knob to do that. It's going to search for phones in the area. It's going to find whatever out there. Now you can also go and search from your phone, which, let's do this. From my phone, I'll have a search from there. And it'll see it there, CarPlay 835C00. Connect, hit the pairing, which will be, the code will be different, and allow favorite sync. And use CarPlay wireless. And then we'll switch to CarPlay. So now we have our contacts there on our phone. We got our music. You see our music. We can go back to our here. Use our controller. These controllers are kind of weird, so these Lexus ones. Yeah, I can't fix that, but I can make it work the way it's supposed to. We'll see if we got sound, so we'll go to music. So I'll just go to my Apple Music. And then we'll do, I'll search for my phone here, because I know I have music that won't cost me anything. I'm gonna play here and let's see if we got volume. So it works. So now we gotta do is make a phone call, make sure the Bluetooth mic works. See if that works. If that works, then we can reassemble the car and go from there. John, can you hear me?
Oh yeah.
Lexus with the ZZ2 Apple CarPlay interface that works through the factory screen. It's really sick. So let me get it together and then we'll just do a final walkthrough on the car, and it's all gravy. And we'll put we'll put down in the comment section what part this part is, what year, make, and model the car it is. That way you get a general idea if you want to add CarPlay to your Lexus. And this is really nice. So we got the Lexus all back together with the jaw controller working and everything on screen, with the factory OEM screen, with all the controllers working up here. And this system, like I said, works great with the integrating with the OEM system. We also want, as far as, add a USB here so the customer can do wired as well as wireless USB, or I should say wireless CarPlay. So now they can do either one, and it works through the OEM system, and they can make phone calls, Bluetooth streams. And this car is a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you want more videos like this, just let me know. Just write it down in the comment section. Peace.